So welcome to a great video. This is awesome because this is your party speakers. But it's so exciting when you see your favorite actual speaker show up. Now, this guy here, it's been like, 2 or 3 generations of actual speakers from Gemini, formerly All Lansing on this. Now, this has been a great speaker. I'm going to say out of the last 10 years of speakers that they've developed, this has definitely been probably one of the coolest, best sounding, fun to own speakers you can buy. This is the Soundsplash 8. Now, 2 8-inch drivers, and it's got tweeters on the side and tweeters that would join up in the top. Depends on which way you orientate the speaker. It's going to just work for you. And this has always been an awesome speaker to get. But now, they came out with a 600. Now, you're always like, oh, this is so good. How good can this actually be? This is an 8-inch, these are 6. Now, this is amazing. They've upgraded everything quality, performance, reliability-wise. They built in even a harder shell of a box when it comes to making the speaker. I've even noticed that now that I've covered all the features, it sounds better than this guy. It's got more punch than this guy. And it's doing it with 6-inch. Now, it's a 3-way setup, not a 2-way like we see here. It's a 3-way setup. It has 2 actual tweeters that are offset on angles. It's got 2 mid-ranges offset in the center, and it's got the 2 6-inch drivers off to the left and right. It sounds better when it's laying this way, but you can stand it up on its side because they do have a very nice design system with handles and the way the legs are set up to go up. They put rubber feet on both sides. They've covered everything when it comes to reviewing and upgrading all the parts, pieces, everything on here. So we're going to listen to it today and see if it's right for you, because I absolutely, if you're watching this, you have it in your budget to get one of these, buy one of these guys.
Give it to me.
If you're looking for a party speaker, an outdoor speaker, a tailgating speaker, a carry around next to the pool, in the pool, wherever you're going to go, you're going out to the park, you want to have, this is it. You're going to your friend's house, want to have a good time, this is it. Get your friend to buy one too, and then you can link them together and double the fun. So first as power goes, of course, everybody wants to know the wattage right off the hop, but they're advertising, I think, at 600 peak. I'll give you the breakdown right out of the manual, specifications. Let's go through it. Let's go through the numbers together, so this way we get that all out of the way. Again, it's just really, really loud, so this is kind of, finding out the really specs, the stuff that's under the hood, right? Let's talk about that a little bit. Now, we did talk about the fact that it's 3-way setup. What are you actually getting? 2 6.5-inch woofers. You're going to get 2 2.5-inch mid-range and 2 1.5-inch tweeters. That's all part of the package right here. Power distribution. Now, this runs off AC and a lithium battery, so they actually have power range for both, depending on how you're going to run it. So if you do plug it in, you're going to get 400 watts of peak power, and if you run it off of the lithium battery, you're going to get 320 watts of power. And that's because when it's in plugged in mode, there's extra power going to the system. Besides charging up the battery, there's a bit above and beyond that. So that's how they get more power out of it. It also allows it to be more efficient when it's running on battery. Let's cover some of the high-level features on the actual unit now. Let's talk about the actual Bluetooth, which is a brand new 5.4 version. It is a hi-fi class actual Bluetooth connection, so there's no audio compression. It's rich, true sound. It'll get you a long way. You can easily get about 100 feet away, depending, as long as you got clear sight, to this speaker from your phone. It can do all of that for you now. That's very impressive. Now, also, it has TWS, true wireless stereos. That means you can link up 2 of these speakers together off of one phone. Really nice. So inside of this, we do have that lithium battery I was talking about. It's a 10.8 volt rechargeable battery because it's lithium, and it has a capacity of 5,000 milliamp hours. So that means you're roughly going to get about 20 hours of continuous play. Now that's at about 25% volume, so the louder it is, like a tank of gas on your car. The more you push it, the more it's going to be. On average, if you're going out and you're going to really be cranking this thing, think about 4 hours. You know, your rechargeable Bluetooth headpieces, that sort of thing. Depends on how much power you put out of it. But again, it's rechargeable, it's easy, it's got a locking back. Very important if you're planning on getting it wet. Make sure you're not actually plugged in while you're doing that. Let's take a look at the back and see what I'm talking about. So here we are, taking a look at the back. First, we're going to see the overall structure of the unit. So if we pull this over, you're going to see there's handles on both sides and a handle on top, which makes it really nice for carrying around. 2 drink holders on top. Always, it's kind of like that traditional fan favorite of the actual speaker. We got some drink holders up there. And just to make it extra fun, they put a bottle opener on the back, because if you can't open it up, how can you just put it in your drink holders, right? So here, this is your magic door. It's a airtight lock door. In transport, this door is not locked. It is on and is secured partially, but you definitely want to make sure it's completely locked if you're going to bring it outside and leave it in the rain or get splashed on or next to the pool or in the pool. Now, let's talk about the pool for a second. Yes, the videos show this in the water. It's waterproof when you buy it. Absolutely, it is waterproof. Now, things are waterproof until the day they're not waterproof. There's no red flashy beacon light on here that's going to tell you it's not waterproof anymore. So, you know, do what you think is right when it comes to, you know, how waterproof your system is. So when you actually open the door, this is where you're going to find you got 2 dials. There's a guitar and a microphone control. Could you imagine you can play your guitar in here? That's kind of fun, right? And you get microphone, and using one of the features on top, you're going to also be able to have some echo control for that microphone. Now there's your AC adapter, your auxiliary options. Really nicely set up. It's got a USB, but this is only 1 amp. So, I mean, it's good for backing up some power if you need it on your phone. Don't expect it to like full charge your phone. It's going to take a while, but it's there. So if you need to take some power from here because your phone died, you can do that. Now again, put that on, make sure it's tightly closed. Now, these are the 2 radiators on the back. So when I push on one, the other one comes out. Now, besides the fact this was on the previous models, they've actually refined one key element on here. The actual rubber on the outside always had an issue where it had a hard time flexing around corners. That's why speakers are round and not square, because it's harder to make a good flex. Now what they've done is they've created these special dentations around the corners, and they've added a certain amount of rubber to where it needs to get that flex, making these much more active and giving you a lot richer sound out of the whole box. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's so hard to see on the camera, but the actual grill has got this amazing punched look to it. It's contoured, it's got slanting angles to it. It really, the time and detail that went into the craftsmanship of this product, very impressive. The fit and finish is just amazing how much work they put into it. It really has a nice new look to it, and I think that's what's going to make this thing so popular. It doesn't just have one color. It's got extra trim molding on it, so this would give it an accent color before you hit the grill. These are little things. I think they really did a nice job. Even the handle has got that accent that we see in the trim in the front. So I mean, it's just a little stuff like that that makes this really nice to look at, really nice to own, and it just sounds great. As for the light packages, when you're actually turning up the volume, you get a volume meter on it. When you're charging it up, you also get a meter on it, which is very nice. When you're running it, you can have the lights on or off. It has different play modes. Even the logo lights up with the music. When it's charging, the actual charging light will be flashing for you as well. You have your volume plus, minus, up and down. It has 16 different stages to match your actual phone volume setting, because it does sync up with your digital volume on your phone, which is kind of cool. The Bluetooth on it, very easy and quick to connect. First on, that's where your bass boost is. They call it X bass. And if you hold it down for a long period, it's going to allow you to adjust the echo on the microphone. The next button is going to be for your light adjustments. And the last one, that's your TWS, your true wireless stereo synchronization. Makes it very easy to connect 2 speakers together very quickly. Bluetooth to the first one, then press the sync button on the second one. Same goes for the first one, and it's done. If you'd like to buy any of these speakers here, by all means, look at the link down below. That'll get you to Amazon, which is a great place to buy them because, well, you know, if you got Prime, that's like bonus shopping there, right? Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you got questions, by all means, comment down below. And there you are. That is the Soundsplash 600, the SOSP 600. It floats, it's got Bluetooth, it is pretty much everything you're going to want in a speaker. 270 degrees radius sound coverage, so this way everybody gets to enjoy it. You set this up on the side of the deck or next to the pool, it is going to be awesome. Put it on the back of your truck or on the back of your vehicle for tailgating, perfect setup. Bring it to the park, do as you wish. This is going to work for you. Again, you won't regret it. You get it for yourself, you get it for the family, you'll do just fine.